Okay, today we're going to be multiplying by decimals. Alright, and this is non-calculator methods. Okay, so I've got 1.2 times 0.26. The first thing I do is remove the decimal points. And here's me removing the decimal points. Get back, and all that sort of business, yeah? So they're gone. These are the hairy decimal points. I've got rid of them now. So all you're left with is the naked numbers themselves. You've got 12 times 26. Okay, and there's a fig leaf nicely placed there just to save her modesty. So I do 12 times 26, and I can use whatever method I want of multiplication. In this case I've used the grid method. You could use column multiplication. So I've done 12 times 26, split that into 10 and 2, 26 split into 20 and 6, 1 times 2 is 2, and there's 2 zeros, gives me 200, 1 times 6 is 6, and there's 1 0, gives me 60. I've then got 2 times 20, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 0 in, that's 40, and 2 6s are 12. I then very carefully, lining up the units, add up my number, and that gives me 312 in total. But that is not my final answer. There's Jennifer Aniston, yeah, with a shampoo bottle. If you remember the advert, here comes the science. Okay, and what we've got to do is, as it says here, there are 3 decimal places in the question. So we look back at the question. We need 3 decimal places in our answer. So this was the question, 1.2 times 0.26. I've drawn my decimal places as houses after the decimal point. So how many digits you've got after the decimal point is your decimal place. There's 1 here in the number 1.2, and there's 2 decimal places here in the number 0.26, so that's 3 decimal places in total. So in my answer I must put 3 decimal places. So the only way I can do that with 312 is to write it as 0.312, and there's my 1, 2, 3 decimal places. And just for neatness, because that's how we roll in the maths department, I write my full answer as this funny symbol here. Looks like bear poo. It means therefore is 1.2 times 0.26 equals 0.312.